Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use satellite messaging on iPhone. Firstly, ensure you have an iPhone 14 or newer, including iPhone 14 Pro, 15 and 15 Pro. Note that this feature is free for 2 years after purchasing a compatible iPhone. Emergency SOS via satellite allows you to send and receive texts and calls through satellite in situation where cellular service is unavailable. This is intended for emergencies and may work slower than regular cellular connection. So, before heading into areas with no cellular coverage, share your medical information with trusted contacts through the Health app. If you attempt to make a call or send a text and the connection fails, your iPhone will automatically offer the option to use the satellite mode. You can select emergency, text via satellite, or call via satellite to initiate the connection. To access emergency SOS settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. In the Emergency SOS settings, scroll down and tap on the Try Demo option. This will walk you through the process of using the satellite feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to see how the satellite connection works. During the demo, you may need to go outside to establish a satellite connection. Temporarily turn off cellular data as instructed, then move your phone around until it connects with a satellite. If you're in an emergency situation, follow the same steps to connect via satellite. Answer any emergency questions as prompt. Always ensure you're outside when you're trying to connect to a satellite via your iPhone, as the signal requires a clear view of the sky.